Hey everyone, this is Gabriel from AceVacuum Cleaners in Fairfax, Virginia. Let me start with wishing you all a very happy new year 2022. And on today's video, I'm going to be talking about Miele's accessory tool, that is STB 205, and the newer version of this is STB 305. Without further ado, let's talk about the features of these power-driven nozzles. First, let me talk to you about this 205, the older version. This comes with black bristles. It comes with screws which you can just open it with a dime. It comes with two rubberized wheels, and it's great for hardwood floors, low pile carpets, and area rugs. And it's got 180-degree swivel on it. And for maximum to minimum suction, in case you feel like the suction is too powerful, you can just slide this out so that you can let the air bleed through this so that it minimizes this air suction, in case like it might not be hard on your carpets or area rugs. So now let's talk about STB 305, the advanced version of 205. You can see this comes with red bristles with deep lines on the brush row. In case of threads or hairs stuck in, you can just put through the blade or a knife and cut them out. So that way it's easy to cut it out. And like the 205, it has rubberized wheels, but this one is more slimmer. As you can see the difference on both. This is a little bulkier than this. This is more slimmer. This one also comes with 180-degree swivel, and whereas in this, to minimize the suction part, you can just dial this out like this, whereas on 205 we just had to slide it. Here you can just dial it, which is even more easier to bleed some air suction out. So, and moreover, the best thing about this, it comes with clean, transparent head. As you can see, the hairs or threads gets clogged in it. You can just look at it and just clean it very easily. So that's one of the talking point about this updated version STB 305 of Miele. So let's go for a quick demo of both the power nozzles. Let me put the telescoping wand. First, let's try the older version of it, the 205. Okay. Let me just one time go over it back and forth. That's really picked up the hair really well. Let's try it with the newer version, the 305. I'm just going to run it over once. As you can see, both of them have done a great job on the area rug. So this is specifically designed for pet owners and very good accessory for pet hairs or threads or a little bit of debris on your carpet or area rugs or hard floors. I hope you enjoyed this video. And until the next video, see you then. Have a great evening. Bye-bye.